Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login Aid. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to enable passcode lock on band. When you enable passcode lock on band, you'll be able to secure your access of band application and your account on your mobile phone. To enable passcode lock on band, first open your band application on your mobile phone. Make sure that you are logged into your account. Now, here you'll be taken to home. Now tap on your profile on top right. Then tap on settings option. Now here you can see your settings. Now scroll down. Then here you can see the option of account/privacy settings. Tap on account/privacy settings. Now here you can see enable passcode lock option. When you set a passcode, you'll need to enter it every time you start band. If you forgot your passcode, you'll have to delete band and reinstall it. So tap on the small notch near enable passcode lock. Then enter your passcode that you want to set. After that, re-enter the passcode. With this, now you'll be able to set your passcode. Now when you go back to your home screen and then refresh your mobile phone and reopen your band application, then you need to enter your passcode so that you can get access to your account of band. As you can see here, I need to enter my passcode to go through my account. This is how we can enable passcode lock on band. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you like today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.